In the frozen wilderness, a mother's love knows no boundaries.
What was that? Something's out there.
Help us. Oh, dear God. Please. Stay there. I'm coming.
I must go. For him.
Come inside, my dear ones. Oh, my dear cub. Oh, my God. Oh, my precious, please get up.
Don't worry, little one. Mama is here.
Oh, my God. Poor little thing.
I've got you, little one. We'll get you inside.
You're safe now, little one. It's warm here. Rest.
You'll be all right, little one. We'll get you warm and strong. Come now, little one. This will make you strong. Just a little bit more. You're so strong now, little one. So strong.
Look at you, exploring already. What a brave little one you are. Oh, you're looking so much better, little one. Find anything interesting? What a curious cub you are. Go on, little one. Your mother waits. Be safe, my dear. Oh, look, it's the cub. You're safe, my little one. I'm so glad. Oh, my stars! You've come back! Look how big you are! Oh, you big, wonderful thing! Look how you've grown! Hello, my sweet bear! Come here, my darling. Time to eat, little one. It smells delicious, doesn't it?
You are such a good boy. Eat up, little one. You are my best friend. Here you go, my dear. Eat up. Good boy. So gentle.
Ah, you big rascal. Leave the fish alone. So big you are. Now down you go, little bear. Ah, you rascal, you can't reach those. Come here, little one.
Oh, my dear friend, you remembered. Thank you. Thank you. You watching again? There. Soon, yes.
Almost done, my friend. We'll eat well tonight.
Go on, settle down now. Rest up.
Keep playing, little one. What? Look at you go. Such a happy cub. Come here, my little one. That's a good ball. Oh, my dear one. Oh, it's just right, little one. Come try this. Oh, you two, what a mess! Roar! Don't mind a bit. Come closer, my darlings. Oh, that was close. Come on inside. Oh, you big mess.
You're so warm, little one.
You're such good company, my friends. We're safe here, aren't we?
I am so grateful for you. I am not alone anymore. My sweet ones, you are my everything.
Good, my little one. Eat well. And you too, Mama Bear. There's plenty for everyone. You eat that all up, my darlings. Such good bears.